Hello everyone, welcome back to my Fluency journey. And in this video, we're gonna talk about some Hindi to English translation sentences of some basic common daily use sentences, right? So, for example, we'll practice and learn from it, right? So yeah, the first sentence is मुझे नहीं पता कि वो कौन था. I don't know. I don't know. I didn't knew. I didn't knew, right? I didn't knew. I didn't know. Who was he? Who was he? Because it is past tense, right? क्या तुमने उसे देखा? Okay, did you see him? हम सबने तुम्हारा इंतजार किया. We waited for you, right? We waited. We all. We all waited for you. We all waited for you, right? मेरी तबीयत आज सुबह से ठीक नहीं है. I am not feeling well. I'm not. I am not. I am not feeling well. I have not been feeling well, right? I have not. I have not been feeling well since morning. Not feeling well from morning. From morning, right? Well, from morning. Since evening. From morning, I think we are giving some reference, right? So, क्या तुम मुझे उस दुकान तक ले चल सकते हो? Okay, could you guide me through that store? Could you guide me? Could you walk with me? Could you ले चल सकते हो? Like how to convert this and would you go with me? Would you go with me? Would you go with me to that store? Could you tell me where the store is? Or could you walk me? Could you walk me with? Could you? I don't know. What you can say is, could you tell me where that store is, or could you walk with me to tell whether where is that store, or I think could you go with me to the store? It's like क्या तुम मेरे साथ चलोगे उस स्टोर पे? मतलब चलोगे और इट्स लाइक मुझे ले चल सकते हो, ले चलना. तो दैट मीन्स ले चलना, लेकर चलना. लाइक could you could you I don't know, let's see in that answer, right? Don't be so stupid, right? वो बिना कुछ कहे चला गया. He went without saying anything. Without saying anything, right? Without saying anything. Without saying nothing. Without saying anything. मुझे नहीं लगता कि ये तुम्हारी गलती है. I don't think, right? I don't think that. I don't think. I don't think it's your fault. Your fault. तुम हमेशा दूसरों की मदद करते हो. You are very helpful. You are very helpful, right? What else we can do is, you always help others. You always, I think. Oh yeah, you always, right? So nice to you, right? So nice of you. So sweet of you. मुझे थोड़ा समय चाहिए सोचने के लिए. I need some time. I need some time to think, right? ये काम मुझे अकेले करना होगा. I have to do this alone. I have to do this work alone. I will have to. Alone, right? Now let's see the answers. Okay. Also, always do this exercise. I didn't know who he was. I'm actually guessing like who was he or who he was, right? Okay. Did you see him? We are afraid. We all waited for you. I've not been feeling well. Okay, since a specific point in time, like morning, not from. Oh, got it. Okay, I haven't been feeling. I haven't been feeling. I haven't been feeling. I haven't been feeling well. I haven't been feeling well, right? I haven't been feeling well. I haven't been feeling well since morning, right? Could you go with me? Could you go with me to that store? Could you take me? Oh, Lena, this take. Why? You should know this, right? Could you take me to that store? Could you come with me to that store? Could you come with me? Could you go with me? Okay. Go with me is understandable but slightly awkward. Native phrasing should be come with me or take me. Oh, could you take me to that store? Okay. Now always remember that, right? Could you take me to that store? He went without saying anything. I don't think that's your fault. Okay, correct. Just missing the apostrophe. Okay, yeah. You always help others, right? I need some time to think, right? I will have to do this work alone. I need to handle this alone, right? I have to do this by myself. I have to do this by myself, right? Okay. So yeah, that means we are doing awesome, right? I'm getting what my score is. Okay, 8 out of 10, right? Okay. Thank you so much. And I will be bringing some more translating videos on this channel. And please go through this playlist where this video is uploaded. So yeah, thank you so much. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I will bring some more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.